everyone. Welcome to our webinar on building industrial control panels with PLCs, PACs, and HMIs. My name is Erica O'Hara, and I will be presenting today. We will explore our products and expert guidance for building industrial control panels and how our advanced controllers and HMI products can be used for small applications like machine control all the way up to plant supervision. We will also delve into the steps for planning out the control systems, design and layout recommendations, and finally go over some of ICP DAS products which can be used in the control and monitoring of a modern industrial plant. I wanted to share a little bit about who we are. ICP DAS was established in 1993 in Hsinchu, Taiwan. Later, ICP DAS USA was launched in 2001. The benefits we offer are fast service, free technical support, free software, very fast shipping, 7 to 10 days, and warranty. Also, I wanted to share if any of you have or wanted to share an application story with us using our products, we will love to hear it. Just email me or enter your email in our chat box. I will reach out, or our sales team will reach out personally. And for those who want to share their application stories with us using our ICP DAS products, we will gift customers $300 for the application story. So if you would like a $300 Visa gift card, you have a good application story, please send us an email at sales@icpdasusa.com or enter your email in the chat box, and we will reach out to you to further plan out the application story. I just wanted to share that with everyone today. Also, if you have any questions regarding the content that we're going to share, please enter it in the chat box, and Robert, our application engineer, or Maria will answer those questions for you. Okay, so ICP DAS has a broad product line. We specialize in, as many of you know, we specialize in control, monitoring, and data acquisition systems. We also offer a wide variety of industrial sensors and communication products. So let's get started on design considerations. So each of these aspects listed here is crucial for the successful design and implementation of a control panel, ensuring functionality, safety, and efficiency in controlling the equipment or processes. Before designing, it is important to decide on the specific devices that we will be controlled by the panel, such as switches, relays, meters, PLCs, etc. The layout will depend on what components will be installed in the control panel and should follow all the best safety and electrical practices. For some panels, control devices will implement and proper machine shutoff and safety measures should be followed to prevent changes during runtime operation. The enclosure size and type should allow for proper ventilation for the enclosed components, and if used in a hazardous environment, UL standards should be followed. Explosion proof, purge, and logout tagout enclosures should be considered. We provide basic enclosures for non-hazardous environments. For larger panels and hazard environments, just reach out to us and we can offer a wide range of suitable solutions. Since almost all of our control, communication, and monitoring hardware are DIN rail mountable, we can offer a solution that will be suited to be included in most applications. If an HMI or other panel mount devices are going to be part of the control cabinet, be sure to install proper gasketing and follow the manufacturer's standard cutouts for instrument and control components. For these components, also be sure to proper depth of panel to allow proper airflow and spacing to allow for good electrical wiring practices. ICP DAS, TPD, and VPD series touchscreen controllers are ideal for economical control solutions. The sizes are from 2.8-inch to 7-inch touchscreen HMIs allow for simple control. The VPD series has an IP65 front panel. Both the TPD and VPD series also has some PLC features. They can be They can control Modbus RTU or TCP slave I/O like our modules here, or they can simply be used as an HMI or a PLC, which communicates via Modbus. They allow for multi-page control and offer a wide array of widgets to control your application. HMI Works is the free software for programming these TPDs and VPD models. Like I said previously, they can simply act as HMI for Modbus or PLC, or they can communicate to and control Modbus devices. Modbus is one of the most common protocols using in industrial controls. PLC, HMIs, and many process controller provide Modbus protocol. If that is the case, the TPD can be used for control or monitoring of these devices within the control panel. For more advanced control panels, we offer programmable automation controllers, which are known for PACs. PACs offer the reliability of a PLC with some of the most popular features of a automation PC in a lower cost package. The PAC series utilize a Windows operating system, so you can not only run standard ladder-based logic, but you are also able to multitask operations and run more advanced applications like SCADA. The PAC series also are able to run .NET programs, so you can utilize more advanced programming languages to design your control. ICP DAS USA offers Windows, CE.NET, Linux, and XP embedded programmable automation controllers. ICP DAS develops devices that offer stout industrial capabilities via a palatable GUI for users of any level to interact with. The Windows CE.NET programmable automation controller provides the integration of PC and PLC. Our micro programmable automation controllers have fast boosting operation system called MiniOS 7, developed for C language based controllers. The UPAC meets every requirement for general applications such as data acquisition, automation systems, and remote control. Benefits of our UPAC controllers are faster CPU, 100 base TX and Ethernet communication, and low power consumption. The UPAC 7186 series are suitable for sophisticated applications. Many optional expansion boards are available for our UPACs to provide DI, DO, AD, DA, time counter, UART, flash memory, battery backups, SRM, and other I/O functions. For those who are familiar with soft logic, ICP DAS also provides IEC 311 ISRAF-based UPACs. Our UPAC is a programmable automation controller pack which combines display, operations, and control in one unit. Our UPAC provides 2 CPU types, 3 OS solutions like Linux, MiniOS 7, and several software development toolkits. This makes the UPAC a good solution for factory automation, building automation, machine automation, manufacturing management, environmental environment, and more. So hardware features, let's take a look at our WP series. It features a built-in VGA port that can be directly connected to a regular LCD display. Users can operate the HMI or SCADA software running on the XP-9000-WE-S7 with display, keyboards, and mouse, just as how they usually do on a regular PC. It has rich I/O expansion ability, RS-232/485, Ethernet, FRNet, CAN. Besides the local IL slots, the XP series also equips several RS-232/485 ports, 2 Ethernet ports to connect serial I/O and Ethernet I/Os, and with FRNet, and CAN communication module and local slot, FRNet, I/O, and CAN devices are easy to be integrated. Both comes with built-in flash disk, dual watch timer, dual Ethernet ports, redundant power inputs, and fanless design with wide operating temperature ranges. We provide support in I/O functions provided for all of our path controllers. The XP has all of the features of the WP with the faster processor. This is ideal for running SCADA applications in addition to multiple control applications. This controller can easily replace and coordinate data from many other controllers. The ViewPack is basically a WP with an HMI built in. The touchscreen HMI can easily reduce the number of hardwired buttons and switches required for the control panel and control the application using the same .NET or ladder program without needing an additional PLC. The VP can also multitask with its Windows operating system, and some models include expansion slots on the back to control I/O or communicate using its built-in serial and Ethernet ports to external equipment or expansion I/O racks. WinGraph Workbench is a powerful soft logic development software and is used for configuration, programming, and debugging. The Workbench supports all standard soft PLC programming languages such as structure text, function blocks, ladder, instruction lists, and sequential function charts. eLogger is an easy-to-use software to implement HMI, web HMI, and data logger on Windows PC and ICP DAS packs for simple I/O monitor and system control. eLogger is free of charge for 50 tags in tag version. eLogger can develop a project with flexible I/O configuration quickly and easily. The setup can be completed in only 5 steps: configuring I/O modules, configuring data logger, designing HMI layout pages and web pages, uploading the project and web pages to pack, and executing the project. 5 steps. The WinGraph software not only controls onboard I/O, but also allows for communication to a variety of remote I/O and external devices through Ethernet and serial communication ports. WinGraph supports all 5 IEC 61131 standard open PLC languages: LD ladder diagram, FBD, which is function block diagram, SFC, which is sequential function charts, ST, structured text, IL, instruction lists. Using our InduSoft software to communicate to individual controller, data can be shared and compiled for the entire factory and shared company-wide to produce reports showing production data and inventory. This data can be used to monitor and control multiple aspects of the entire company. InduSoft is a SCADA software platform that run on our PAC series. The IWS series of PACs have InduSoft runtime licenses pre-installed. The development software is purchased separately. The animation and graphics ability of the software can help engineers build HMI screens, control the applications, and log data from the IWS and communicate to other equipment using one of its communication ports. The TGW series of gateways modules convert Modbus RTU data from older PLC or meters to Modbus TCP. Modbus TCP is a very convenient protocol that can be used to share data between equipment locally or across the internet. So this image shows an application using our power meters modules for monitoring and controlling automatic shutoff of equipment if power usage is above utility requirements. Okay. If you have any questions about our power meters, just shoot us an email. This application shows some of our data acquisition and controller modules inside of a control panel with wires properly labeled, color-coded wires and organized using conduits for wire busways. If you have any questions, please let us know in the chat box right now, and we will get those answered to you. Or Robert, Marie, if you have any additional comments, please, you're welcome to say anything. No. Okay, well that is it.
If anyone has any questions or would like to ask questions live, please feel free to raise your hand in the Zoom link, and we'll unmute the mic and you can ask the question live if you'd like.
I see some open answer. Okay.
The only question I saw was, will the presentation be posted? It will be posted to our our YouTube channel, usually within 3 hours after the webinar ends.
Or this is a good time for anybody to share any of your applications that you have going on right now. And if you encounter a problem or you have a question regarding HMI or anything like that, you can raise your hand and we can give you the mic and you can explain your situation and we have time to discuss a solution. Nope. Okay, well, thank you everyone for joining us today. Like I mentioned earlier in the presentation, we are accepting application stories using our ICP DAS products. Please email us or raise your hand or give me your contact information in the chat box and I'll reach out to you. We are giving out $300 to anybody who turns in an application story and whether that application story meets our standards. We will happily, we would love to use it as for marketing material here. That's it.
Thank you all for attending. Have a nice Easter, and we'll see you next month for our next webinar.
Thank you, everyone.